I think what makes Kisi unique is that we're a cloud-native solution. We started with a cloud and built access control around it. Most of our competitors, if not all, took a legacy system and put the cloud on top. And with that, they're lacking all the modern features of cloud-native solutions. To me, cloud means mostly two things. It's an on-demand provisioning model, but it also means that it should be highly scalable. So whether you're using Kisi at one location or 100 locations, it should scale infinitely. IT managers love Kisi because it works just the way they would expect from a software as a service solution. So we're taking something that is very physical access control, and turn it into a cloud solution. And this is the general trend in the industry and how administrators would like to manage their services. As a tech person, I'm very proud of the way we architected our platform. If there's something we want to improve, we can deploy it to all of our devices, the entire fleet out there within milliseconds, over the air in a secure manner, following state-of-the-art cryptography. This is something that really sets us apart from the competition because it's extremely hard to get this off in the right way. Our hardware is very different from the hardware of our competitors. If you think of the hardware of competitors, it's mostly legacy. Updates are not cryptographically signed. There's no immediate over-the-air mechanism. When we built Kisi, we wanted to get it right from the start. We have a secure boot over-the-air functionality for our hardware, which means that if we want to improve the experience for our admins and users, we can do so within milliseconds without the admin having to worry about it. There will just be the benefits of a better customer experience without any hassle or maintenance. Ideally, I want to make sure people can use Kisi without any credentials, any physical credentials. So getting rid of that last barrier. You forgot your smartphone at home, your key at home, your card at home. Just getting rid of this last physical token that you need. That would be great. If you want to craft a custom experience, I would say send an email to carl@kisi.io because I would love to find out what you want to build and how I can help you.